Let's go to basement now. Click above here to check out the hall and kitchen tour of my home. You're Indian in USA. Please subscribe and follow me. This is a basement here. I have a bed here. There's a restroom here, full bath here. And there's a door going outside to the patio here. And there is a door going to the garage here. Let's go to patio here right now. Here is a AC unit that we have seen from upstairs, and here I have a small place for the plants to grow here. Otherwise I have tiles everywhere here, and there is a door going to the back of the street. I have a green screen and a studio here and some lights, and I do videos here for YouTube and other stuff here. And that is where we came down from, and there's a garage door right next to it, and there's a restroom here. Let's check the restroom right now. And this restroom is a full bath here. There's a bath shower here. The water comes continuously from the pipelines, and we just pay for the water by monthly for the whole house. Now let's go to the garage here. This is a 2-car garage here, and we can park 2 cars if there is no other stuff in here. Usually people keep the trash cans inside here, and a lot of supplies that we needed for the family here. And there's a garage door we can open from here, and there is a garage opener here. I'm opening a garage right now, and if you get out from here, and this is how it looks, and that is my neighbor with a cat. We came from there from basement, and here I have a AC unit operation center here. This is where the equipment for air conditioning and heating here. This is the air conditioning unit here, and there is also a heating system inside where all the pipes connected to the house for cooling and heating. And this is a boiler for a water heater, and this is where all the water, hot water comes to the home. And this is a gas line. This is a gas line, and the gas is used to burn and heat up the water here, and also it is used to generate a heating here in the winter. And the same gas is used for cooking and also for the fireplace. So hot air or cold air goes through these pipes up there to different floors. All right, I'm going back into my home, and I'm going to close the garage door. Turning of lights, and here this is a basement, and this is a restroom. Close this door and close the garage door, and we already seen patio there. So this is basically basement, and let's go upstairs one more time to the second floor. So that is the entrance, and this is a hall, and that way to kitchen, and we already went down the stairs to the basement, and now we'll go upstairs.